Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Too Real, and I'm back with another bomb hair review. Y'all, I told y'all for the holidays I was gonna try doing a lot more color and everything. So I found this wig on Celie, Celiehair.com or whatever, and I worked with them before, but I saw that they had colored hairs on there. So at first I was gonna get purple, but now that I got this, I was a little scared about this green. I thought it was gonna be like ugly green on my skin or whatever, but it's kind of, I think it's called apple green, but I will put the links down below. But y'all, this hair turned out so pretty, and I did glue this wig on myself. That's how easy it was. Y'all know I am not a professional, but y'all, I just literally put this wig on this morning and it is super bomb. So let's get into it, y'all. This wig is from Celiehair, and this is a lace front wig. Y'all, I'm just looking in the camera, feeling myself. At first, I was scared to put this on my head, but baby, now I could put all them worries to bed. You feel me? I ain't even drunk yet, and baby, I'm looking good, okay? If I don't say so myself, girl. Anyway, the wig came in this little baggie. Well, it came in this, but inside the wig is gonna be in a little plastic bag, and it says Celiehair, and it'll tell you down here that this is a 12-inch wig. Oh, girl, I don't know how to act, girl. I feel like I'm about to have a hot girl summer, and the summer already won. And y'all, it comes with this cute mirror, and you know this comes with all of their orders. It's always a cute little mirror in there, and it's pretty heavy duty, honey. And these come in handy. I think I put them in, every time I order a wig from them, I just go in my room with my purses and just put a mirror in there, so I can always have a mirror. In here it does come with a wig cap, and it comes with the little netted cap as well. And it has a little pamphlet on how to care for the hair and everything. And it has their Instagram and Facebook. But y'all, girl, I don't know how to act, girl. I mean, y'all, I did not do anything to this hair. I did, this was like the same length as this hair right here. So I did kind of just take my scissors and cut down so I could have like, not a bang, but just some type of little, something that framed my face right here. I was gonna do a middle part, y'all, a middle part, but I decided to do a side part, and I'm gonna let you see how it is. And it comes just like this, y'all. I did not cut the hair. Only thing I did was go take my scissors right here and just go down just to make this little piece right here. It is so beautiful, y'all. I did not wash this hair. I did not do anything to this hair. All I did was glue it on my head. I did use boho, but what can I can say that I think this lace comes transparent, so if you lighter, you know what I'm saying, you might not have to do too much to the hair. But what I did was I did spray it with the hair diagram, the lace tint in caramel. So I did do that. I sprayed it all over the lace and just let it air dry, or you could blow dry, but I did this last night, so I knew I would have time for it to dry. But I just kept layering on the lace tint till it got to my skin tone, and that's all I did. You know, you don't have to bleach the knots on already like colored hair or whatever. Well, I didn't anyway, because I didn't want to mess it up, but I didn't have any knots like that would be visible. But y'all, all I did was put some mousse right here and some mousse right here, so I could have like a part that you could see, and that was it, y'all. And I did bump this hair. I didn't curl it. I just took my curling iron and just put a slight, my flat iron, and put a slight bump in the hair. But y'all, I was scared that I was gonna mess up the hair by putting a little, you know, layer right here, but I feel like I like it better like this. It was still pretty with the hair stopping right here, but I just feel like it was just so blunt, you know what I'm saying, without, I feel like this would frame my face more. So I do like this. I think this wig is amazing, y'all, and it is a lace front wig. It's not a full lace wig, so the front is what's lace front and the back is like tracks. But y'all, I got to give this wig 2 thumbs up. I'm actually gonna go and try to order like maybe purple, but they have pink, purple, what else, orange, all type of yellow, all type of different colors, y'all. So I will definitely be reordering from Celiehair so I could try the other colors. Y'all, I was so scared to try this hair, but now that I have it on me, y'all, if you are brown skin and you are afraid of this color, baby, don't be afraid, because this color is so pretty on brown skin. And I feel like this will look good on anybody, but I know a lot of us brown skin girls are kind of scared of bright colors. But y'all, this is super bomb. Like, and the hair, I did not wash this hair. So this is how it came out the pack. I did not wash this hair. Only thing I told you that I did was I didn't go through the whole wig and bump it and straighten the hair out. No, I literally just took big chunks of this hair, bump. I didn't go, so it was not a big frizzy mess even after I put this wig on. But to define my part, I did have to put a little mousse right here, and I just bumped the ends, and that was it, y'all. So I did not wash this hair or nothing, and it still turned out so freaking amazing, y'all. Let me know how you like this hair on me, and down below, let me know when you go on their site and see all the colors that they have. Let me know what color I should try next and what color y'all will want to see, so you could see how it look on a brown girl, or just see how the hair look in general. So y'all, let me know down below how you feel about the hair and what color to try next, so I can go ahead and put that order in. But once again, I love you guys. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Tongue tied, sorry, but thanks for girl, I ain't even been drinking yet. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and always showing me some love. Y'all, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.